All right, all was good. So today we took a trade. Took a trade like a minute ago. But anyways, we passed all three Lucid accounts. I literally just activated them. So, but I'm not gonna trade today because I don't think we're gonna be making another move or anything of the sort. So yeah, I think that's chopped. But as you can see, all three accounts pass pending to start up. They might be active right now because it has. I think it's been 5 minutes. Whatever though. So I'm gonna get into this trade. I'm gonna break down this trade and then I'm gonna go back to sleep. So coming into the day on the 30 minute, we didn't have. I noticed we had a liquidity sweep at 8 a.m. We swept London low at pre-market. So off rip, I was just looking to see, okay, are we gonna continue lower or are we gonna go higher? Scaled, looking at all the time frames, stumbled across a 4 hour bearish for value gap. I mean bullish for value gap, which we respected, which we tapped into at the time, and then we started respecting it. So when we started respecting it, I was like, okay, that's what's up. Now we're gonna take longs, uh, or longs are the move for today. Scale to the 15 minute, and then on the 15 minute, notice we were pumping. We tapped into this 15 minute fair value gap, but I noticed we were coming back, retesting it. So I was like, more than likely we're gonna inverse this, and then on top of that, to pair, we inverse this 5 minute fair value gap. So I was like, okay, yeah, we're gonna inverse this 15 minute, and we may inverse this 5 minute up here. So my entry was gonna be initially off this 5 minute, but we pumped like way too high past this 5 minute for me to, I mean, past this fair value gap for me to even get an entry. So I was like, all right, that sucks. So came down, boom, boom, boom. Came down to the 1 minute after to look for an entry, a more optimal entry. Notice we got a fair value gap right here that was created on the 1 minute. Waited for price to pull down into this fair value gap. There's two right here actually, but I ignored this first one because they're right on top of each other. And when it's like that, more than likely, we're just gonna say fuck the first one and go straight. We're gonna like have a reaction off the second one. The first one doesn't really ever have a reaction. That's one thing I noticed trading. So as soon as we tapped into it, I noticed we had a bullish confirmation reaction. Just wanted to make sure though, because I was down like $700 from trading Asia session, and then literally we started shooting up off this candle. I got a good entry on it. I entered in pretty low, set stops right here, set take profit like around this range, like around 60 to 70 points because I needed to make like 2300 today. And then we did that and boom, we cleared it up, and then now it just started taking off from there. But yeah, bro, that was a trade we took today. Like I said, as you can see, past all three. I'm gonna be back on trading tomorrow. And yeah, bro, that was the breakdown. Really nothing special, honestly. Hopefully tomorrow though, we get a fucking big move like this. Cause today, if I were to take this trade today, like on a funded account, boy, what I've been eating. Like I would have, bro. We hit, bro. This is 300 points. My gosh, like wow. But yeah, bro, really good day if you took longs. If you didn't, um, I don't really know what to say. But yeah, bro, not gonna hold you guys up. About to go back to sleep. Not gonna lie. This is a really short video. If you guys are new, make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Uh, and yeah. Oh, also, if you guys aren't, make sure you join the free Discord. And yeah, bro, I'll catch you guys later. Stay safe, stay blessed. Peace out.